Hi, I'm Dr. Honora Wall, and I want to talk to you about the online math courses I've developed for students with learning disabilities, especially dyscalculia, the math learning disability. Now, anyone can say their courses are designed for students with learning disabilities, but what does that really mean? Well, at EduCalc Learning, that means we use explicit instruction. We tell students exactly what to do and what not to do. We point out the common mistakes that many students make. We know from 20 years of experience teaching students, working with students who have neurodivergence, and following the published research, we know that these students can question. How do you know if you're doing it right or wrong? How do you test yourself? We show them how to do that. We talk about their learning differences in the course. We use social emotional learning in weekly videos, touching base with students, seeing how they're doing. We also show them how to use the right support tools for their needs. Depending on their grade level, that might be a 1 to 100s chart, a multiplication list, or a calculator. But we make sure to include that in the instruction. Another thing, and I'll show you a little quick clip here from one of our courses, we use a lot of color in the instruction. We use very simple graphics to show students exactly what's going on. We really drill that vocabulary and we break apart word problems. So we don't leave anything to chance. We don't leave anything to be a point of confusion. We make it very clear. Another thing that makes our courses different, the assessments are completely tied to the instruction. We don't use AI. Every question was developed by myself for a specific reason, and the assessments use scaffolding to take the student from the beginning of the lesson or concept through to a more advanced, more challenging question. We put in the mastery. You can really succeed in these courses, and that's the feedback we get. Students are doing the work on their own. They're enjoying it because they can understand what's going on. They're learning a lot about math. Now, you can use our courses as a homeschool student or for grade recovery or use them at home. If you're a school, we would love for you to have your math teacher or interventionist sit down with the student and oversee what they're doing and use our platform to take care of the planning, take care of the instruction, take care of the grading. You can focus on what you do best, enriching, engaging, and teaching. Check out our sample lessons. That's free and it gives you a little bit of a glimpse into our different levels. Our classes start at fourth grade and go all the way to Algebra 2. We also have chemistry and personal financial literacy. And if you have any other questions about how we design these courses to make sure we meet the needs of students with learning disabilities, please reach out anytime.